Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get better at Fortnite Chapter 4 on PC. Let's get started. Before you even start playing, go to the setting, tap on your profile at the top right corner, then tap on settings at the bottom. From here, set your graphics to low or medium so the game is smooth. A smoother game helps your aim better. Next, go to the keyboard control and make sure you are comfortable with the movement keys and weapons slot. If you are learning, play Team Rumble to practice fighting. Zero build if building is too hard. Battle Royale if you want to learn building slowly. Pick the mode that suits or fits your style. Don't land in the crowded places at first. Choose spots that are quiet so you can find weapons, gather shields, practice movement. This helps you survive longer and at your own pace. Good aims win fights. This simple method like click to aim before shooting, left for better accuracy, use an assault rifle or SMG for close fights, practice using the shotgun since it is the strongest for close range. The more you shoot, the better your aim is. Use the right weapons to carry a shotgun, an assault rifle, or long range guns or SMG, shield or heal. Don't pick random weapons, pick smaller weapons. Always check the map, move toward the same zone so you don't fight in the storm. And that's all. That's how to get better at Fortnite Chapter 4. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.